Hi, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to talk about summer nail art. So before starting this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel to join our family. While having an eye-catching manicure is a great idea all year round, there's something about summer that makes you feel more adventurous. Whether it's embracing ultra-bright colors, fresh new textures, stylish shapes, or daring designs, now's the time to shake it up. Keep reading to discover fun ways to update your signature style, as well as this season's most on-trend summer nail design ideas to take your manicure to the next level. Number 10. Graphic art nails. For a standout look this summer, go for graphic nails. To properly show off this artistic look, either grow out your nails, or choose acrylics in round, almond, stiletto or square shape. Then, let your creativity shine with contrasting colors, finishes, text and textures. Quotes, logos, messages, and organic shapes are a big trend at the moment. Why not try them out this summer? Number 9. Gel nails. A gel manicure is an easy way to make your nail color and design last. Gel nails are also softer and more flexible than acrylics, so they have a more natural look. If you want to extend the length of your nails, but don't want the upkeep of acrylics, gel is a choice for you. Sticking with the natural theme or bright color palette, gel nails for summer look beautiful paired with all your favorite warm season outfits. Shake it up with different finishes like matte and gloss, and add cute details like smiley face or stripes. If you get sick of your gel color, you can easily remove it at home. But for the best result, go to a professional for a fresh manicure. Number 8. Acrylic nails. Acrylics are the fastest way to get the long nails you've always dreamed about. They're also a simple way to change the shape of your nails, and they don't require lamp curing like gels. The extra length and on-trend shapes you can get from acrylics are perfect for summer. You'll need to go to the salon regularly for fills and replacements. This may be more common in summer, as being outdoors, and swimming can increase your risk of lifting or breaking the acrylics. Number 7. Mountain peak nails. One of the lesser-known nail shapes, mountain peaks, has become a big trend in the past few years. Nails are kept to medium length and tapered to a small, fine point. The mountain peak shape follows a similar pattern to stiletto nails, but it doesn't require the fingernails to be as long. As a result, it's possible to get this shape with natural nails, if yours are healthy and not prone to breakage. Number 6. Almond nails. Long and tapered to an elegant point, almond nails are a sexy and glamorous shape. They get their name from the shape of the almond nut. A universally flattering style, almond nails make fingers and nail beds look slimmer and keep your talons quite strong. Because this nail shape requires some length to create, some opt for acrylics to get the almond look. Mix pastel ombre with the block color nails, for the playful and fun summer style. Number 5. Square nails. Square nails are a great choice if you have naturally narrow and flat nail beds. They will make your fingertips look wider. They're also considered the healthiest nail shape for most people, as there's less risk of nails flaking, catching, or breaking. If you're opting for long acrylics, squared ends are also a popular style. This is because the squared tip makes the nail look wider, balancing the length of the nails. Experiment with bright natural tones and pastel colors. They are a trendy choice this summer. Number 4. Round nails. For a more understated vibe, the classic round shape is also on trend for summer. A catwalk favorite, this chic and straightforward nail shape is very versatile. Round nails can attract attention when painted with bold or pastel color. Alternatively, they can be the height of sophistication when paired with a nude polish. Natural and low maintenance, round nails are a great choice, if your style is classically elegant or a little androgynous. Number 3. Coffin nails. The coffin nail shape, also known as ballerina style, is what it sounds like: lengthy acrylics with a tapered, squared-off edge that looks like a coffin or ballet shoe. This nail shape has a lot of attitude, and also gives you plenty of space to play with color, design, and decoration. You can take them to the next level with holographic foiling, ombre coloring, beads, and jewels or nail art. These are the nails you get if you want to make a statement, so it's not a shock that coffin nails are a favorite of Instagram stars and influencers. Number 2. Peachy apricot nails. While summer offers plenty of opportunities to experiment with your nails, one of the biggest trends is a simple look. Peachy apricot tones are a summer staple every year, and it's easy to see why. This hue is universally flattering on every skin tone. It also goes well with a full spectrum of other colors, from navy to pink and white. It's feminine and understated while still being playful, and it looks gorgeous paired with gold and rose gold jewelry, another massive trend for summer. Number 1. Rainbow nails. This is the season to go as bright, warm, and tropical as the weather. Create a fruity cocktail of pastel shades, think pink, mint, lilac, yellow, and baby blue. When summer arrives, the rules go out the window, and it's time to show off your creativity in manicure form. Plus, there are no gloves to hide behind, so your nails can get all the attention they deserve. Comment below and let us know, what do you think about our list? If this video was helpful, please like the video, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.